Good evening to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. In this video, we are going to discuss the reservations or the accommodation of the physically challenged suitable candidates even for the IPS, Indian Railway Protection Force and some other uniformed jobs. Also, actually, this was a debatable subject, but since they are uniformed services and physical training is 100% necessary, physical fitness as well necessary, normally the physically disabled persons are not allowed for the IPS and other services, uniformed services particularly. Like rigorous training will be there in IFS, Indian Forest Service, like that. But the disabled students, an NGO by name National Platform for the Rights of the Disabled. This is a non-governmental organization. You all know an NGO is a non-profitable organization run by like-minded individuals without interference of the government for the welfare of certain category of the people. So this is one such NGO, National Platform for the Rights of the Disabled. You can read the case as National Platform for the Rights of the Disabled versus Union of India in WP Civil number 1343 by 2021. Actually, this case is posted to September 12th, a few days later. So, Madam Justice Indira Banerjee and M.M. Sundaresh, actually, they suggested the Union Government of India to be sensitive in this particular topic because the applications filed by the physically disabled persons, actually, who had cleared the civil service examination and come out with flying colors. Only thing is, because they are physically disabled, they are not being inducted into IPS, then our Indian Railway Protection Force and Dayu, Daman, this Lakshadweep Police Service and things like that. Right. So, please remember, actually, the NGO, if has filed a writ petition challenging the blanket order exclusively pasted on or posed on the so-called disabled people not to join or not to be inducted into Indian Police Service. Right. So in this connection, previously on 25th March 2022, Supreme Court gave interim order. Please remember, so they have directed the physically disabled persons to appear for the examination, provisionally apply for the exams. Now they have cleared. So please remember here what they have written is, the bench said you have to have an element of sensitivity. That is what they are pleading. The physically disabled people. Just transfer them to a post where they can do the duties. That means where the physical strain, where the physical fitness is not necessary. Because the advocate Arvind Datar, he has taken the evidence or cue from the other countries. In Israel, you may be knowing, their Mossad, that is their intelligence system, is the number one system in the entire world. They induct the physically disabled persons in the Israeli army also. For what? So they will be inducted in the so-called cyber wing or technical wing or wireless wing, like that. They are adjusting them in Israel. And M.M. Sundaresh said that actually in judiciary also, a lady officer, she joined, of course she was a physically handicapped woman. When she was being given the same posting, she felt very bad and said that, yes, I can do my job, please post me to some other place. And likewise in Tamil Nadu, 85 IPS posts, actually they require no physical, so the physical restraint or physical fitness, because they can be accommodated in the so-called, just like I told you, wireless, cyber crimes. Nowadays cyber crimes are more and cyber posts are so many are vacant, they can be adjusted there. So likewise, Justice Indira Banerjee added, please remember, no doubt, please remember, here the point is all the IAS and other cadre, they are being given training in the so-called that Mushirabad. I am telling that, I will give that name. And secondly, the IPS people, they are getting trained in Hyderabad. Is it not? They are going to train Masuri, UP, and combined training is there. Every department doesn't have their own system. That too, these people will be selected for UPSC in the main examinations. After clearing, all of them will be sent to Masuri and some of them to our Hyderabad National Police Academy and get training. It is a combined training. So no department separately gives training for them. So in such a case, disabled persons may not be allowed. So in this connection, so basing on the arguments of Arvind Datar, in one stage, Honorable Supreme Court stated that yes, we agree, because in the initial stages, the women are not allowed to join the Indian Police Service. Only the first IPS officer is Kiran Bedi. Now we have seen number of officers like that. Change is inevitable. So physically disabled persons may also take charge in the so-called. So please remember, a person may be hard of hearing, but he will be a good athlete. She has given some examples. So ultimately, the matter is posted to September 12th, stating that the Union of India may think otherwise, or it means they may induct them in the so-called jobs which do not require any physical fitness. So let us hope if those people are inducted, we will be very happy, and it will be a good example to the others in the coming days. Some other people will also get some job. Hope it will be done. Thank you very much.